Hello and welcome to Deep Dive, my new series where we dive deeper into our foundational skills. Today's topic is one-step equations. Let's start with some vocab for terms I'll be using in the video. Operations are the action words in math. The four you will use most are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Variables are letters used to represent any number. We most commonly see X and Y, but any letter can be used. Cool. Now that we are on the same page, let's get started with an example. The one step in a one-step equation is to undo the operation next to the variable. Our goal is always to get X or whatever variable by itself. But wait. How do we undo an operation? We use the opposite operation. The opposite of addition is subtraction and vice versa, and the opposite of multiplication is division and vice versa. Going back to our problem, we have x minus 4 equals 5. The opposite of minus is plus, so we will add 4. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0, so this mumbo-jumbo cancels out, and x is left by itself. But wait, one-step equations have one big rule to follow. You must do the same to both sides of the equal sign. So if we added 4 on the left, we need to add 4 on the right. After doing our math, all that's left is x equals 9. That's your answer. Let's take a second to talk about our big rule. Imagine a scale with an equal sign in the middle. Our rule says we must always keep this scale balanced. If I add 4 to the left side, the scale gets all out of whack. I need to add 4 to the right to return the scale to balance. Let's do another. X over 3 equals 2. Well, this looks like a fraction, and fractions always mean division. If we have division, we need to undo it using the opposite operation, multiplication. If we divide by 3 and multiply by 3, we are left with 1. So the mumbo-jumbo cancels itself out, and x is left by itself. 2 times 3 is 6, so x equals 6. Nice job! Let's keep going. 4x equals 2. When you see a number touching your variable with nothing in between, it means multiplication. We undo multiplication with division. As you know, we do this so the mumbo-jumbo can cancel, meaning x is by itself. On the other side, we get 2 over 4, which simplifies to 1/2. X equals 1/2. 4 more problems in this video, and it's your turn. I'll put the problems up, pause the video, and give them a try. Then come back for the answer. Starting with addition and subtraction, we have x minus 3 equals 2, and 7 plus x equals 14. Did you give it a try? Starting on the left, we add 3 to both sides, cancel the mumbo-jumbo, x equals 5. On the right, even though the 7 is first, this is still an addition problem. That means we need to subtract something. If we subtract 7 from both sides, cancel the mumbo-jumbo, we get x equals 7. All right, 2 more, multiplication and division. We have 15x equals 45, and x over 2 equals 9. Give it a try. How did you do? On the left, 15 is touching the x, so this is multiplication, and we need to use division to undo. Divide both sides of the equal sign by 15, we get x equals 3. On the right, fractions mean division, so we need to multiply both sides by 2. This gives us x equals 18. How did you do? Make sure to like the video if it helped you and to leave any questions in the comments. I've been Link the Dragon. Thanks for watching and joining me on this deep dive.